Morning, children. Children, today is Saturday, okay? And every Saturday, I will discuss all answers of all questions which I had given to you in homework, okay? So, take out GK notebook and check your answers. Children, I am showing to you pages of notebook, and in these pages all questions are written with answers. You watch these pages and listen to me, then match your answers. Okay, understood? Let's start lesson 6. I will discuss lesson 6 to 11. So, open lesson 6. Lesson name is Indian Classical Dance Form. Children, take out your GK notebook, okay? Homework is there na in that notebook. So, you match all answers in your GK notebook, okay? Children, open lesson 6. It is lesson 6 as you watching in this video. Lesson name is Indian Classical Dance Form. Children, question number 1 is match the following. Children, on the left side, name of classical dance forms are there, and on the right side, name of states are there. You have to match dance forms with the correct state name. Okay. First one is Kathak. You match this Uttar Pradesh. Second name is Manipuri dance. You match this name with this Manipur state. Kathakali, it is dance form and it is related with this Kerala state. Okay, you match this dance form with Kerala. Okay, children. Now, question number 2. Answer in one word. Okay, question is which state is famous for Odissi dance? Correct answer is Odisha. Question number 3. Which state is famous for Bharatanatyam dance? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 4. Which state is known for its Kathak dance? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. This lesson is completed. I hope all of you checked these answers. Okay. Now come on next lesson. Next lesson is here, children, and lesson name is Celebrating Special Days. And lesson is 7. Lesson 7, Celebrating Special Days. Question number 1 is answer the following questions in one word. Okay, understood? Question number 1. When do we celebrate Army Day? Correct answer is 15th January. Question number 2. When do we celebrate World Health Day? Correct answer is 7th April. When do we celebrate National Science Day? Correct answer is 28th February. Next question, match the following. Children, in column A, special days are there, and in column B, dates are written there. You match special days with the correct date. Teachers Day. Teachers Day, you match this with 5th September. Navy Day. Navy Day will be matched with 4th December. World Environment Day. This day will be matched with 5th June. International Women's Day. This day will be matched with 8th March. Okay, and already I matched these questions, so you watch and match in your GK notebook. Okay, now next lesson open. Lesson 8. Open lesson 8. Children, as you watching in this video, lesson 8 is there, and lesson name is What an Invention. Children, answer in one word is written there. Question number 1 is who invented car? Correct answer is Carl Benz. Question number 2, who invented computer? Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Question number 3, who invented electric bulb? Correct answer is Thomas Alva Edison. And here is written Thomas A. Edison. It is correct. Who invented air conditioner? Correct answer is Wills Carrier. Last question is who invented telephone? Correct answer is Alexander G. Bell. Understood, children? Now fill in the blanks is there, but I had not given in this question, so you write only answer in one word. Okay, don't think about this fill in the blanks. Okay, only you have to write only one word answer. Understood, children? Okay, come on, next lesson. Next lesson is lesson 9, and lesson name is expressions. Children, look these expressions. Lesson 9, look at the following faces and write the expressions. है ना? I had given one question in homework in lesson 9. Draw the following faces in GK notebook. I had given this. So you have to draw these faces with expressions in your GK notebook. I am showing here in this video. So first face is happy face. I hope आप लोगों ने नोटबुक में बनाया होगा और उसके सामने उसका नाम भी लिख दीजिए जैसे मैंने लिखा है इस पेज में. फर्स्ट फेस इज हैप्पी फेस, सेकंड फेस इज सरप्राइज फेस, थर्ड फेस इज सैड फेस एंड फोर्थ फेस इज एंग्री फेस. आई होप आप लोगों ने भी एक्सप्रेशन के साथ फेसेस ड्रॉ किए होंगे अपनी नोटबुक में, जैसा कि मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में नोटबुक में दिखाया है. ओके, दिस लेसन इज कंप्लीटेड. नेक्स्ट लेसन, कम ऑन नेक्स्ट लेसन. लेसन नेम इज exercises to increase height and lesson is 10. Children, one question I had given here in your homework. Question is write the name of 4 exercises which help us to increase our height. Children, some name of exercises are written in your GK book. You can write from there. Okay, and answer is there in this page as you watching. Number 1 cobra stretch, number 2 spot jump, number 3 hanging exercise, and number 4 skipping rope. You can write these name in your GK notebook. Okay, Next lesson you open lesson 11. Children, it is lesson 11 and lesson name is dealing with strangers. Children, question number 1 is instruction is tick the correct options. And question number 1 is if a stranger comes to pick you up from the school saying he has been sent by your parents, you should. So which option is correct? 4 options are there and only one option is correct. You have to tick there. Okay. So option B is correct. Refuse to go with the stranger. 4 options are there. Go with the stranger, refuse to go with the stranger, C, A and B, and D, none of these. So children, option B is correct. You put tick option for option B. Question number 2. If a stranger gives you an ice cream, you should refuse to take the ice cream, take the ice cream, A and B, none of these. Children, first option is correct, refuse to take the ice cream. You put tick here. Question number 3. If a stranger knocks at the door and you are alone in the house, you should open the door, not open the door, none of these, A and B. Option C is correct, not open the door. Children, आपके सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स